Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You'll start by opening Settings and heading straight to Language and Input or System Languages. Don't pause to hunt. Once there, make sure the device recognizes any attached keyboard and then tap the section labeled Keyboards or Input Methods. You want to see the active input methods. This is where voice typing appears alongside on-screen keyboards. Tap the entry for voice typing to begin changing its behavior. This first action exposes the controls you'll adjust in the next step. Now change the active input method. Find voice typing and disable its toggle or uncheck it in the input methods list because turning it off prevents automatic mic activation. Once done, enable your preferred keyboard, Gboard, SwiftKey, or the system keyboard so it appears in the available list. Then tap Default Keyboard or Current Keyboard and select the keyboard you just enabled. This ensures typing uses keys instead of speech. Make sure to confirm the selection before exiting Settings. Finish by opening a text field to confirm the keyboard appears instead of the microphone voice typing interface. Type a few characters to verify. If the mic still shows, try restarting the app or toggle keyboards off and on in Settings, because that refresh often resolves lingering defaults. If problems persist, make sure the app doesn't override input method in its own settings, and, as a last step, reinstall or update your keyboard app to clear configuration errors and restore normal keyboard input.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.